Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube family, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the number one thing that you need to do to manifest anything in your life. We are talking manifesting cars, houses, travel, dream relationships, money, your dream business, you name it. I'm going to show you the number one thing that you need to do. Now, if this is your first time at my YouTube channel, then hi, I am Victoria Maskell. I am a hypnotherapist, master mindset coach, and law of attraction specialist. And I create videos to show you how to create your dream life, how to use the power of your mind, your subconscious mind, and all of those law of attraction tools and tips to help you manifest even faster. Now, if you like this video, I'd love it if you could give it a thumbs up. It helps me to know what kind of content to create for you. And if you want to see more of these videos, if you want to be notified when the latest video goes up, then click that bell, click that subscribe button, and come and join the YouTube family. I would absolutely love to have you here. Now, number one thing you need to do. So the law of attraction. If you haven't heard of it before, then the law of attraction is a universal law. It's just like gravity, okay? What that means is we can follow scientific formulas, procedures to create anything we want in our lives. And for a lot of people, that's things like they want to create money, or they want to attract their dream partner, maybe a dream job, or maybe material things like an amazing car. There are 3 key steps to the law of attraction, and I've got more videos on this if you want me to go into more depth. I will link some down below so that you can get even more information on the law of attraction. But in today's video, I want to show you this number one manifesting hack so you can manifest anything. There are 3 key things that you need to do to use the law of attraction. You need to know what you want, so you have to ask. Imagine you're in a restaurant, you're going to ask for what you want. Number 2, you have to believe. Your belief system, your subconscious mind has to believe that it is possible for you to have this thing. You have to feel worthy of it. You have to start to get into alignment, into that kind of vibrational synchronicity. You have to get into that vibrational synchronicity with the thing you want. And then step 3, you just have to receive. You get into receiving mode for the thing you want. Now, that seems fairly straightforward. It seems fairly straightforward that you can just ask for what you want, believe that you're going to receive it, and then actually it's going to turn up on your doorstep. But here is the thing. Our belief system creates limits. We develop a belief system through our experience about what is and isn't possible. And the number one reason that people don't manifest is because of their belief system. So as a hypnotherapist, as a mindset coach, this is one of the number one areas that I work on. Because when you shift your belief system, when you think differently about your manifestations, about what's possible for you, the law of attraction puts things into action and you manifest. Okay, so if we know that our belief system is the problem, if we know that we are blocking ourselves, why are we blocking ourselves? We are blocking ourselves because we maybe don't believe we're worthy of it. Let's say you are trying to manifest an absolutely amazing partner. Maybe in the past you haven't had great relationships and you've developed a story. You've developed what we call a paradigm about relationships, about a partner. And maybe that's that they don't stick around. Maybe you've got a story that you never pick the right person. So imagine you're sitting down to manifest. You're asking for this amazing, kind, caring, loving person. You've done step 1, you've got that. But then you come to step 2 and you start thinking, well, actually my belief system is telling me that I always get really bad partners and they don't stick around and I don't attract good people. You've got a problem, you've got a conflict. You're not going to be able to receive in that step 3. You're not going to be able to action the law of attraction because of your belief system. And obviously, there are so many amazing techniques out there to shift these limiting beliefs, to change them, to reprogram. If you haven't heard of a technique that I use called BWRT, I'm going to leave some information linked down below. Get to know about BWRT. I have seen this as the fastest way in my own life to shift my beliefs and be able to manifest the things on my vision board and in my clients' lives. So BWRT is an amazing way of changing this programming. But I actually think there is something that you can do here and now. You can actually do this at the end of this video and change the way you manifest. We're talking about changing the manifesting game. Now, another core belief that people have is that it's not possible. So if I said to you right now, do you really believe on a deep level that you could manifest $1 million today? Do you actually believe it? And a lot of the time people are like, oh my God, that sounds amazing, but it's not gonna happen today. Or no, there's no way that's possible for me. The belief that it can't happen, the fear of it not happening, that doubt is the number one reason why we stop ourselves. So how do we get rid of it? How can we use a manifesting tool, a manifesting hack to get rid of this doubt? This is what you need to do. Right, you've heard of visualization. You've heard of this technique where you create a visualization, and visualization is amazing, but I'm gonna show you how to use that in the best possible way. So this is what you want to do. Number one, grab a pen and paper. I want you to write down exactly what you want to manifest. And I mean get super specific. If it's a person, how tall are they? How do they make you feel? What do they look like? Go into all of the details, and I'm going to talk to you in another video about the details, the hows, why we don't need to focus on it. But for right now, I want you to get super clear, get specific. Write it all down. Imagine you are literally writing a shopping list for whatever you want to manifest. Step two, what I want you to do is I want you to create a little visualization. So let's say this was manifesting some money. Maybe this visualization includes you imagining yourself, opening up your phone, going to your bank account app, and seeing the exact amount of money that you wanted to call into your life. Imagine those numbers. Picture the colors of your bank account. Picture any sounds or any passcodes that you put in. Imagine it all, and you're seeing that number that you wanted to manifest. Imagine what you'd be saying, imagine where you'd be, what you'd be doing. Go into all the specifics. And I think with visualization, it really helps you to actually write down the steps. Think about all of your senses. What would you be saying? What would you be doing, feeling, hearing? Who would you be with? What would you be wearing? Go into all the specifics. But here's how you're going to make this different. Here's the number one thing you need to do to manifest faster. You're going to take that visualization, but you're going to imagine that you manifested it 6 months ago. You're going to imagine it has already happened. So the visualization isn't in the future, the visualization is in the past. And you're thinking, what? Why? Okay, remember, the law of attraction is based on a lot of your subconscious mind, and your subconscious mind is permanently in the now. What I mean by that is the future is always in the future. You might have heard of the phrase, the power of now. We need to use, when it comes to the law of attraction, something being in the present or in the past. We don't want to talk about the future. So to manifest even faster, you're going to imagine it's already happened. It's already done. You've already manifested that money. Rather than imagining you're going to have something in the future, it's in the past. You've already done it. You've already created it. Your here and now has it within it. And the reason this is important, the reason this makes your visualization different is because it dissolves any limiting beliefs. It dissolves doubt. Because let me give you an example. Imagine that you desperately wanted something for your birthday. Let's say a Chanel bag, okay? You were craving it, you really wanted it, you got your heart set on it. In the lead up to your birthday, you might be anxious. You might have asked a family member for it or a partner, but you don't know yet. It's not there. There's that little bit of doubt. What if it's not available? What if they don't get it? What if they forgot? That doubt creates resistance. That resistance lowers your vibration and stops you being a vibrational match for the thing you want. But imagine now it's 6 months after your birthday and you've already got it. You've worn the bag, you've got amazing compliments, it's sitting in your, in your wardrobe, wherever you keep your bags. You already have it. There's no doubt, there's no resistance. You're vibrating in alignment with the thing because you already have it. And remember, your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between real and imagined. So the reason this is the number one hack is because you're using your subconscious mind. You're telling it you already have the thing you want to manifest, and you're releasing doubt. So step one, remember, get clear on what you want. Step two, create your visualization, but do your visualization as if it happened 6 months ago. Program your subconscious that you already have this thing. And then what's going to happen is you are going to take aligned action. You're raising your vibration. You're becoming a vibrational match for the thing you want to manifest. And it is going to show up in your life so much faster. Now, I would love you to let me know if you've tried this technique, how it's worked for you, and what you have recently manifested in the comments below. I absolutely love reading your comments and hearing all of your manifestation stories. Now, if you want more videos like this, if you've got any questions, drop them down in the comments. But if you want to know more about the law of attraction, the power of your subconscious mind, and how to manifest all of the things in your dream life, then please subscribe to my channel. I'm creating lots more videos on exactly those things. Have an amazing day, and I'm going to see you all in the next video.